Welcome to the great taste of Las Vegas. Okay, today we're going to make a pecan cookie. 1 cup of almond powder, 1 cup of regular flour. And then we're going to put half cup of sugar for this half cup. I don't want too much. Even less. Coconut meat, half cup. So only 3 items in here. Next we're going to add a spices for it, which is we're going to use ginger, 1 full spoon for that, 1 full teaspoon for that, half teaspoon baking powder, baking soda, baking soda. And we just mix everything good together. That's dry ingredient, yeah? And don't forget just a tiny little bit of salt, like a pinch. Okay. We need half cup of milk and half cup of oil. So I warm up the milk. Make a thing in the center, put it in. Make a well in the center. Mix it in. I'm going to use all of the half cup. Then I'm going to use pretty good now, so just add. I think you need about 3 so far. 3 tablespoons, 3 taps. Okay, so now using your hand, just make sure they mash in together and make a cookie dough. Get the parchment paper in there and get a pecan for topping here. Get a little tiny bit of it like that. To see, you want a small cookie, big cookie? Medium cookie. So this is your medium size. Use this to press it like that. See, there's a bottle of water right here. Just put them in. Okay. And then put 1 of these, and then some egg. Oh, you brush 1 egg on top. So that's your 1. Round them up, push them out. Put 1 of this pecan in. Okay, one big nice cookie. That's it. Okay, put it in. Turn it on. Does it take with the gloves on? Yes. Air fryer right here. Start. That's it. 8 minutes. Check on that. Now is the cleanup time. Waiting for that 8 minutes. It is now 8 minutes. 12 left, right? Starting with 20. We'll take it out and check. Wow, it all cooked. So let's turn it off. Little soft when you take out, but after a while with the air, cool air in the room, it's going to be hardened. It will harden a little bit later, so it's not too chewy like this. Now it's chewy. Okay, so this is your pecan cookie. Hope you're living happy and healthy. This is quite a great cookie, super easy to make. Air fryer way.